Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In 2014, the World Health Organization member, Dr. Poikalainen, stated that alcohol consumption is bad after 13 units. A bottle of wine is 10 units. Moderation is defined as 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men. 12 June 2020.
Take our lead.
Keep a drinking diary. Many people find they are well within safe levels. 75% of the women in our poll reported having fewer than 4 drinks per week. Does this mean that if you drink 2 glasses of wine a night you're a little bit alcoholic? Absolutely not. People metabolize alcohol differently.
Make your mark, take our lead.
What are the early signs of liver damage from alcohol? Swelling of your liver, which may lead to discomfort in the upper right side of your abdomen. Fatigue. Unexplained weight loss. Loss of appetite. Nausea and vomiting. The 28th of August 2020.
Take our lead.
The liver is very resilient and capable of regenerating itself. Each time your liver filters alcohol, some of the liver cells die. The liver can develop new cells, but prolonged alcohol misuse, drinking too much over many years can reduce its ability to regenerate.
Let's help you make your mark.
The Society's buyers provide recommended drink dates for all of our wines to help members decide the right time to pop the cork. As a general rule, most everyday white wines are best enjoyed within a year of purchase, and most everyday reds within 2 years.
Take our lead.
Drinking a bottle of wine a day can also eventually cause liver damage. How quickly? That depends on your overall health. According to one Article 5, severe alcoholic liver disease is often linked to drinking 20 to 40 grams of ethanol a day for women, or 40 to 80 grams for men, over 10 to 12 years. 12 September 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.